Good day. We're here to discuss game processing by LEM. LEM is the leader in game processing accessories for the outdoorsman. The key important part to game processing is the grinder. And the reason why the grinder is so important is that approximately 40% of any deer ends up as trimmings. Trimmings have to be converted into ground meat, and that's where the grinder comes into play. Our feature grinders are the Big Bite grinders. The Big Bite is known for excellent quality, has a 5-year warranty on it, has an 800 number that you can call for technical advice. Our Big Bite grinder is really tied into the auger, and the auger is important because there's greater distance between the spiral and allows the Big Bite grinder to grab more meat and create more output. All of our Big Bite grinders have a stainless steel housing, oversized stainless steel hopper, stainless steel head, the stainless steel auger that we already discussed, 3 stainless steel plates, the coarse plate for the first grind for grinding coarse meat, the fine plate for the fine grind and the second grind, the sausage stuffing plate for stuffing casings, stainless steel blade for cutting the meat. In addition to the grinding plates and blades, we also offer 3 stuffing tubes, a larger oversized stuffing tube for stuffing game bags, a medium stuffing tube for stuffing casings, and a small diameter stuffing tube for stuffing 19 or 17 millimeter casings. For more information, be sure to watch our additional LEM training videos or go to lemproducts.com.